Guys, tignan nyo itong ang ganda-gandang mall. It's Mercab Mall. Napakalungkot. Parang ghost mall ng tawag. Kasi alam nyo, lahat ng mall, lahat ng shop is sarado na. Sayang, napakagandang mall nito. This is a very beautiful mall, right? Ayan po, lahat yan sarado. Malayo kasi yung Carrefour. Carrefour lang bukas, pero almost is sarado. Hindi siya nag-click. Hindi siya nag-click. Yan lang mga keoso, pati nga, ganda-ganda niya, look at this one. Hindi siya nag-click. Halos sarado lahat. Pati, coffee shop also, this one closed. Hala, napakaganda nitong mall na to, nagsarado lahat halos. Hello, yung bed and bath. Hala, napakalungkot naman. Nagsara lahat ng coffee shop. See, I love Qatar. Look. It's very fun. May fountain pa yan. Oh, also this one. This is Sephora before. Oh, lahat yan close na, Nag-close siguro na hindi na kaya yung mga rent. Ito, bukas. Ay, pati si Sephora, nag-close na rin. Ito, this is the Sephora. Lahat, Wala, grabe. Ayan po, lahat. Mayroon dito sa taas, guys. So, pati sa taas, almost, close lahat. Ayan na, close lahat. Wala, ano ba yan? Sayang naman, kasi siguro mahal ang rent. Kaya lang, yung mga kiosk. Ito si Our Choice, bukas. Yan lang. And then the rest is pharmacy, meron. Even the flower shop there, close also. Flower shop. There's flower shop here. Pharmacy. Si Paul, bukas pa rin. Before. Ayan, Ayan, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Paul lang ang bukas. Wala, may flower shop dito dati. Also close. Kalas, brother, thank you Thank you so much. Ang layo Ang ganda-ganda pa naman yung mall na to. Kalas, halos na close na. Ayan po, close na lahat. This is very beautiful mall, but feels so sad. Why all the shop is closed? I think this one long time closed. Oh, closed this side, closed. Even McDonald's. Before there's McDonald's there. See, all this closed. Oh no. Sayang naman po. See? There's only Carrefour in the land. Yeah, there is flower shop before here. Also closed. All closed. McDonald's also closed. See, ayan, Carrefour lang po ang bukas. So sad, really.